screaming. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop.
They're not drums.
What? Who said that? Ow! I got a little backpack. Did you miss me? Was I gone all day yesterday? No, this is like he is. Come on. This is just how we hang out today. Oh, voila. Yes. Is that your brother? Mwah. 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 Give a kiss. Mwah. Give another kiss. Mwah. Good boys. What my good boys? Mwah. Give me a kiss. Come on. Give me a kiss. Oh, okay. My good twins. Oi! Up! Pumpkin? Good bird! Oh yeah, he's a pumpkin! Do you guys want me to do the gross stuff for you? Oh. Oh, he's yummy. He's yummy. Oh, there you go. Oh. Boys. I think I have to stop working. I'm getting the feeling. What do you guys want me to say? Do you see how intently they're looking at me like they're just waiting? What do you want? I'll give you what you want. Hi. Who's this one? He's heavy.
Gizmit.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You see his chest muscles?
Yeah?
His chest muscles all are like Krishna's. I know. He's been working out. You look so much older. He doesn't look like my baby no more. Oi, that's my ear. Hi, Kiki.
They're just cleaning out your ears for you.
My ears are clean. My ears are clean. Okay. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I know. But are you coming too? Is this what happens if I... Ah! It was just one day, guys. Chill. Okay, one bird. One good bird. One good bird. Oh, come on. Come on. Ah! Boys, calm down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay?